Today in this courtroom, chaos meets consequence. A man insists on representing himself against multiple felony charges and quickly discovers the law doesn't play favorites. Will he survive his own defense, or will the judge step in and...
People versus Octavia Lewis.
Nicole Hughes on behalf of the people.
Sandra White on behalf of Ms. Lewis. Your Honor, Ms. Lewis is present. She does not wish to respond under this name, but she is present. I don't know if Your Honor can see her.
So what name today does Ms. Lewis wish to respond under? Ms. Lewis and I kind of know each other.
I resent that statement made by the court. It is my natural name. I was adopted, and then I incorporated my name. I am sorry, Mr. Sampson. I do not disrespect you, and I appreciate it if you did not disrespect my name.
Okay, so here's what we'll do. All right, before this gets too far afield, I know that this is the individual that I know to be Octavia Lewis, as we call her here. So what do you want to do in this case, Ms. White?
Yes, I was appointed to this case.
The courtroom is tense as Mr. Lee Baker stands before the judge for his arraignment. He's been charged with multiple felonies, including possession of cocaine and fleeing law enforcement. The judge lays out the potential consequences, up to 30 years in prison if convicted on all counts. Despite the gravity of the charges, Baker insists on representing himself.
I had the opportunity to speak to Ms. Lewis this morning. We are asking for an adjournment so that we can get discovery.
Without objection, probable cause conference will be adjourned. Let's just do October 5th. October 5th, 2023.
I'm through.
Any bond continued. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're disrespectful.
Court calls the case of the people versus Khalil Taylor Jefferson, 2 cases.
Nicole Hughes on behalf of the people.
Joy Gaines, Senior Assistant Public Defender, representing Mr. Taylor Jefferson. Mr. Taylor Jefferson, if you're present, would you please state your name?
Yeah, I'm not surprised. He's missed every... Go ahead, what?
I was just going to say that I do believe that he was at the last court date.
Baker is sworn in, and the judge carefully assesses his background. 9th grade education, recently released from jail, unemployed, running a small cleaning business. He's asked if he's under the influence or has any mental health issues that would impair his decision. Baker answers clearly, insisting he comprehends the weight of...
Tried to reach him before today's hearing, and his phone was not in service. I'm assuming just needs the bill paid. We would ask for an adjournment.
Oh, you think it's because of the bill?
That
It has nothing to do with the
work.
community.
You think it's the bill? You just throwing that out there.
Because
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's all you had. I mean, I get it.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Because it might be why he missed his test too.
Oh, well,
No,
he's
that's
been
okay.
trying.
No, you don't have
He's
to
been
answer
working on that for a long time.
I'm
He's
just
been working
saying.
on that for a while.
Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear in both cases. Bond is set in the amount of $25,000 cash surety. Those warrants will issue immediately.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Versus Sean Jenkins.
The arraignment proceeds, and Baker formally enters a plea of not guilty. He begins filing motions and submitting bond documents, navigating the paperwork with determination. The judge patiently explains the rules. Anything he submits must also be given to the state, or it won't be considered. Baker struggles to follow the procedure, and tension rises. The judge's patience is tested.
Alexander on behalf of the people.
Assistant Public Defender Hannah Apple appearing on behalf of Mr. Jenkins. Mr. Jenkins, can you unmute your device and state your name for the record? And please remove your hat, Mr. Jenkins, while you're in court.
Okay, just a minute. I gotta go over here.
Your Honor, we are asking for an adjournment of today's probable cause conference in order to have some additional conversations with Mr. Jenkins, as well as the prosecution in this case. My understanding is that Mr. Jenkins does have a request that he would like to address with the court himself.
Really?
That's correct. Mr. Jenkins?
Probable cause conference will be adjourned October 5th, 2023, 9 a.m. What do you want to address?
Frustration builds. Baker starts mixing legal jargon with his own interpretations, causing confusion. The judge intervenes sternly, warning that continued missteps could strip him of the right to self-representation. The courtroom holds a collective sigh as the situation escalates. Ultimately, the judge decides Baker is not competent to represent himself.
Yes. Hello. How you doing today, this morning, Your Honor?
I can't hear you.
Okay. I said how you was doing. I want to address the public defender representing me. I feel like there's a conflict. Well, I know there's a conflict of interest in the public defender representing me because my wife, her cousin, works for the public defender law firm, and she just threatened me like 2 weeks ago. So I don't feel comfortable with the public defender representing me. I don't want to get into detail about everything that happened and her and what she did, but I don't think that it would be in my best interest to be with someone that she works.
So who is it you say is who?
The case of Esmeralda Valdez begins. Parties are formally announced. Valdez confirms she has reviewed all legal documents with her attorney, including discovery materials and her application for community supervision. The judge ensures she understands each charge and the implications of her plea. The courtroom is methodical, precise.
Who do you have the problem with at the public defender's office?
I believe her name is Roberta Higgins.
Okay. And what is she to you?
She's my wife's cousin.
Oh, she's your wife's cousin.
Yes.
Okay, and so what does that have to do with your case?
Well, see, what would have to do with my case is because like 3 weeks ago, she called and threatened me, talking about sending some guys over.
She was gonna send some guys over.
For me, that she would be trying to cause issues or problems with me. So, I know she's been working there for quite some time, and I know she know a lot of people that's up there.
Valdez faces charges for possession of controlled substances, both third-degree felonies carrying a potential 10-year prison sentence. She's cooperative, signing necessary forms and demonstrating understanding. The judge questions her living situation, drug use, and personal history, weighing what is truly in her best interest.
It's in there, and I just don't feel that
She knows a lot of people that she gonna send over to
defendant
you.
would be representing me the best of my ability on account of
Okay, so
her
hold on a minute.
not liking
Just
me.
hold on. Miss Apple, do you know anything about this?
Your Honor, Mr. Jenkins did make it clear that he would be requesting for our office to withdraw. I contacted management regarding his request, and at this time have been informed that there is not a conflict that would affect his representation by our office, but that Mr. Jenkins was free
And
to
so,
make his
Miss
request to the
Apple,
court.
as of today, have you been contacted by anybody in the public defender's office to subvert, not zealously represent, or
No,
fulfill
Your
your
Honor.
duties as an attorney regarding his representation?
No, Your Honor, not in any way.
I didn't think so. Motion for withdrawal or
A pivotal moment unfolds as Valdez finally admits the truth about her drug use. The judge provides a quiet but powerful lecture. This may be the worst day of her life, but it can also be the turning point. Guidance is given, probation conditions, drug treatment, and a path toward education and self-improvement. The courtroom watches about.
motion to force the public defender to withdraw is denied. We'll see you October 5th. Bond continued.
Thank you.
Does call the case of People versus Robert Welch.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Alex Chabalowski for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Joy Gaines, Senior Assistant Public Defender, representing Mr. Welch. Mr. Welch, would you please state your name for the record?
Robert Jason Welch.
Your Honor, this morning I received an offer from Mr. Chabalowski that I think Mr. Welch would be interested in, but I do need an opportunity to discuss it with him. We are asking for a 1-week adjournment, and we'd also like to address the issue of bond.
Well, you guys are going to have, if this is not a brief bond motion, you guys are going to have to file these in writing, but go ahead and address bond. Probable cause, September 21st, 2023, 9 a.m. Go ahead with bond.
Your Honor, Mr. Floyd,
Valdez's probation terms are detailed. 2 years in prison, suspended and probated for 4 years. Strict compliance with treatment, community service, and restitution. The judge emphasizes the importance of communication with probation officers and the courts, giving Valdez a roadmap to avoid return.
pardon me, I was looking down and wrote next to the wrong name. Mr. Welch did miss court previously. However, since that time, he has participated in inpatient and is currently enrolled in outpatient substance abuse treatment. I did receive verification from his aunt of that completion of the inpatient treatment, and I forwarded that to Mr. Chabalowski just a few moments ago. It indicates that he was at Meridian, and in addition, and let me back up, he states he was there for 30 days, and it shows a completion date of, I want to say, August 25th. In addition, I have provided Mr. Chabalowski with verification that Mr. Floyd is participating with MRS. He is
Mr.
also.
Welch.
Pardon?
The final case, Mr. Jarwans, enters. The state paints a picture of a violent, aggressive incident, contrasting one's version of events. The judge carefully